The Hisense AX3100G is a 3.1-channel soundbar that promises to deliver immersive Dolby Atmos and DTS sound with a wireless subwoofer and a sleek design. This soundbar is capable of a powerful max audio power of 280 watts, making it a great choice for movies, games, or music. It has a range of connectivity options, including HDMI eARC, Bluetooth 5.0, USB, optical, aux, and coaxial. It also features AI EQ mode, which automatically adjusts the sound for different content, and Easy Play, which allows you to control the soundbar with a compatible Hisense TV remote. The soundbar is Roku TV ready and comes with a wall mount kit and a remote control. The AX3100G has a sleek and minimalist design. The soundbar is made of high-quality materials, and the build quality is solid. The subwoofer is also well built and has a discreet design. The soundbar itself is fairly slim and lightweight, measuring 36.2 by 2.4 by 3.5 inches and weighing 5.6 pounds. It has a black plastic body with a metal grille on the front and an LED display on the top. The display shows the input source, volume level, sound mode, and other settings. The soundbar has 4 full-range drivers that fire forward and upward, creating a 3D sound field. The subwoofer is a 6.5 inches unit that connects wirelessly to the soundbar and delivers a decent amount of bass. The subwoofer is also black and has a ported design. It measures 8.4 by 11.6 by 12 inches and weighs 11.40 pounds. The soundbar supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, which are the latest audio formats that create a more realistic and immersive sound experience. The soundbar has 7 sound modes to choose from: movie, music, news, night, sport, game, and AI. The AI mode automatically detects the type of content and optimizes the sound accordingly. The soundbar also has a virtual surround mode that simulates a surround sound effect with the soundbar and the subwoofer. The sound quality of the soundbar is decent, but not exceptional. The soundbar produces a clear and crisp sound, especially in the mid and high frequencies. The dialogue is easy to hear and understand, and the sound effects are well defined. The soundbar also creates a wide and spacious soundstage, thanks to the upward-firing drivers and the Dolby Atmos and DTS support. However, it lacks some depth and richness in the low frequencies. Even with the subwoofer, the bass is not very powerful or punchy, and it sometimes sounds muddy and boomy. The soundbar also struggles to reproduce some of the finer details and nuances of the sound, especially in complex and dynamic scenes. The soundbar can get loud enough for most rooms, but it may distort at high volumes. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe to the channel would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. And don't forget to like the video, as it helps reach a wider audience and really supports the channel. Here are some of the soundbar's features: AI EQ, preset EQ modes, HDMI eARC, Bluetooth 5.0. Setting up the AX3100G is very easy. The soundbar and subwoofer connect to each other wirelessly, so you only need to connect the soundbar to your TV. The soundbar comes with a remote control, but you can also control it using the buttons on the soundbar itself. The Hisense AX3100G is a budget-friendly soundbar that offers a lot of features and a decent sound quality. It is easy to set up and use, and it works well with Hisense TVs and Roku TVs. It supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, which are the most advanced audio formats available. It also has a range of connectivity options, a wireless subwoofer, and an AI EQ mode. However, the soundbar is not very impressive in terms of sound performance. It lacks some bass and detail, and it does not deliver a truly immersive sound experience. The soundbar is suitable for casual listeners who want a simple and affordable upgrade from their TV speakers, but it may not satisfy audiophiles or home theater enthusiasts who expect a more refined and realistic sound. It's a particularly good choice for anyone who wants to improve the sound of their TV without spending a lot of money. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.